Tunis to Tabarka. Hello everyone, it is the night before our kayaking trip from Tunis all the way to Tabarka, and we are packing up everything to go on the kayak. So, been in the kitchen, sorting out all the food that we're going to require. Then if we wander through, we've arranged all of our stuff. Hello Dean. So, there's our rigging and gear to actually go on the kayak. We've got our repair kit, we've got various things that definitely don't want to get wet. And then we've got our actual camping gear, which is going to go into half of this big SUP dry bag and then get strapped to the back of the kayak. So we are leaving at 5 AM tomorrow, I think, and so it's looking like we're almost ready. We've just got to check how much weight we've got, because looks like we have quite a lot. Good morning everybody, it is just after 4 AM. Sadly we're awake and we are getting ready to leave. How's it going, Dean? Exactly. Coffee. We need coffee. That's the only thing we can say right now. Yeah, all the gear's packed up, as you can see. Not actually got very much stuff. Got the dry bag, the less dry bag, and then our large bag of clothing and that kind of thing. And here is Dean's epic plunger sail. Wait till you see this thing in action, it's amazing. Just waiting for a bolt now. There's the gear, compressed down into 3 bags. This is Sylvester, the local caboose, freaking out or saying goodbye, yeah. Checking out our gear. Got to get all of that onto the kayak somehow. I'm sure it'll be fine. We're in the taxi going to the start line. So Dane, how far do you think we're going to get today?
I think 60k would be a good,
60K,
good effort.
okay.
60k would be a good effort. Anything above that is bonus.
So 60k gets us to like Rimmel beach, which is just to the east of Bizerte, is that correct?
To the east of Bizerte.
We made it to the beach. We are about 5 minutes from launching, just getting everything strapped on. What do you reckon, Dean? Feeling confident?
Everything strapped on?
Yeah, definitely strapping everything on. Yeah, we just need to get all the water in the front so that the weight is evenly distributed, and then we're pretty much good to go. And we're gonna go that way, all the way across the Bay of Tunis. Where are we going? To Raf Raf, basically.
See the headland out there.
Yeah.
Out there.
Yeah.
That's our first point of call.
Let's hit Raf Raf. Okay. Goodbye, Marsa. So we are heading out. Beautiful morning. Good work, Dean. Keep up the hard work. And you can't actually see it because it's a bit misty, but there's Raf Raf. What is it? 35k away?
Raf Raf's about 35.
Yeah, 35k. Okay, right, well, we'll see you in about 35 kilometers, I guess, unless something exciting happens in the meantime. Right, time to test out the sail. Is it looking good, Dean? Oh yeah, it's a beauty. Definitely not just a bin bag. Yeah, not Pantelleria, please. I didn't bring my passport. Let's go to Raf Raf. So we're about as far away from shore as you can get at this stage. If we have a look, that's where we came from. Whoa. That's where we're trying to go. I think the whole bay is about 35 kilometers wide. Well, that's the distance we need to do. We must be right in the center now, because if you look around, we're a long way from land. Time for a snack. What have we got, Dean?
Delicious mixed bag.
That's a lot of food.
Some turbo carbs, nuts,
Yes.
some raisins, cranberries.
Delicious. And then dead ahead, Raf Raf. We're close enough to see the fire breaks now. I mean, it's still miles away, but Well, it's lunchtime and we made it to Raf Raf, so we are going to have some grilled fish. A lot better than tuna from a can, I think. And there's Dean with Pillau Island behind him. So then we need to continue that away to Bizerte. So how hard was that, Dean?
It wasn't too hard at all. The last little bit was nice coming along there.
Right, we made it to campsite number 1. Pulled in here, just past Cap Zebib. Bizerte's over there. And this is where we're gonna set up shop. Dinner time with Bizerte in the background. There's the fire that we managed to light. And if we look just behind it, the bright lights of the port.